Okay, we are back. We are back for our second part. We are still continuing with our ancestors. It's still your servant, spiritual master. How do we go about calling our ancestor? It depends on your condition. For those who are sharing places, you don't have enough space. You can create a small altar in your wardrobe in a corner, which you can easily remove. From that altar, you put some coins, you take something that your ancestor need. For those who got yard, you can still go outside around your yard, you make a corner. For those who have privacy, you can still make your own room. For those who stay in flat and them, you can still create your own small altar when you talk to your ancestor on a regular basis. And sometimes you need to know what ancestors believe. For example, I use alcohol. Strong liquor, I throw down. I speak when I'm talking on private matter, not in the temple to pray. When I'm talking about my private matter to my ancestors, because I've also need to talk to my ancestor for my own light and guidance. So same can still apply to you. Based on your circumstance, I'm going to still guide you. You need to connect with your ancestor. It's not wrong with religion. There's misinterpretation. There's misunderstanding in between those parts. There's nothing wrong with you calling upon your ancestor and continuing to pray to and following your religion culture. If you feel there's confusion, if you feel there's something, you are free to comment, to write, to send questions. I'm open to provide you with a assessment. So the advantage of calling upon your ancestor, because they know you better. They know you better, they understand your need. They are not spiritual beings, they are not limited human beings the way you are. Because the only confusion people say, it was useless here, how can you help me there? You never been in a spiritual realms to understand the difference between a human being and a spiritual being in the same person. So those who are in the spiritual realms, they've got spiritual knowledge and capacity that you don't have. And they are willing to help you once you call upon them as well to assist. I am the one we call God, Allah, the Creator, Jehovah. I am is the creator of all spirit. And if you still think is against those who departed, you are wrong, because tomorrow you too be departed. So your men will be against you. If you think those who you didn't know, they were so evil, is wrong, because if they were evil, you're going to be evil. You are their blood. You are the continuity of their spirit. They are willing to help you come out of your situation. You have noticed that your marriage is failing, your relationship are failing, your career are failing, your finance are failing, your business are failing, and you keep on changing different religion and organizations to pray. But you got a solution within you. You got your own forefather that can help you. Yes, I'm telling you, don't look surprised. You've been told that the dead, they don't work. It's wrong. I work with a lot of people. I'm long in the spiritual realms and service. I've visited many people. I've got a lot of testimony. And some of those who are following me now, they are part of this testimony. If you think the dead cannot help you, you are right. But if you think the spiritual being that will occupy those dead bodies cannot help you, you are wrong. Some of us are the living testimony. There's going to be time I'm going to tell you about my story. You can understand. Today I want to tell you this. Call upon your conscience. Talk to your ancestor. Light a candle. Light an incense. Throw some food at the corner and then speak to them. Tell them your problems. For those who want more in reconciliation, contact us. You're welcome to contact me anytime and seek advice. For those in business, for those in executive and high responsibility, security service, I'll advise you to have a spiritual advisor. Not a spiritual advisor who's going to tell you things that you want to hear. Somebody can see things that you can't see. Somebody can advise you how to do things according to your intelligence and culture in order for you to prosper. Prosperity belongs to all of us. No one owns it. But not all of us are benefiting from it. It's because of our ignorance. You are ignorant of your spiritual identity. You are ignorant of your spirituality. So call upon the spirit of your ancestor today. Yes, I say your ancestors. The one who think they won't help you. Put me in the challenge, call them. I give you 7 days. Call your ancestors. Follow the procedure. Tell me if you want to see the result. I just give you 7 days. I don't say call mine. I say call yours. And you're going to see the result. It's your humble servant, Spiritual Master Roger Katapena. Be blessed this Friday morning. Have a blessed day. For those who want to contact me, I work as a spiritual advisor, guide, and master. I help people in their private issues. I also teach spiritualism here online. You can contact me directly on +27 81 729 38 55. +27 81 729 38 55. Or alternatively, you can still email us at ancientspiritualism@gmail.com. ancientspiritualism@gmail.com. Send us your question, comment, like, subscribe if you like your video. Present us your comment. We are willing to listen and provide with the necessary assistance that you have. May the grace of the divine, the grace of I am, the archangel, the ancestors, and the spirit ascendant master be upon you. I bless you.